Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Core Java session. Yesterday, we have successfully completed our Core Java, all the topics, and today we started Core Java program for interview. So today, the first program which you have, according to interview, they will ask you some questions. We'll start basic program, then we will increase some level of difficulty. Okay. So today, uh, the first program is uh, how to reverse any string, any string using built-in function. Using built-in function. If somebody is asking you how to reverse this string using built-in function, so they will give you this kind of question in the chat during interview, and they will ask you to write the program in the notepad. Okay, so make habit. You are writing the program. You are writing the program on notepad. Maybe they will give you opportunity to write the program on Eclipse. Okay, but you have to write sometime on notepad and sometime on where here. Okay, ID. Now try to observe what is the question here. How to reverse any string using built-in function? It means you should have class, you should have main method. Okay, this part you should have. Now any any string, I am taking str, I am taking any string str. So what is the name? Whatever the string I am giving, okay? Let's say I am giving some name, coding. I am giving some word coding, okay? Coding is the word which is nothing but the string. So what is the program? I want to reverse this. It should be like it should be like first G, then N, then I, then D, then O, then C, something like this, right? So for this, there may be 100 approach, guys. I'm not saying only you have to follow one approach, but only thing is that you have to think how we can reverse. Already in Java, we have reverse method. So that's what using built-in function. The same program will be there without built-in function. We will see that too also. How to reverse the any string without using built-in function. First, we will see building function, already existing method. With that, how we can change. So let me use string builder, str1 equal to new string builder. Okay, this is the program. Then what I am doing, I am adding string string. I am doing up dot append. What I am adding string. Whatever the coding is there, that will be appended to string builder. Okay. Now, what I am doing str dot reverse. str1 dot reverse. This is what reverse function means, method, predefined method. So whatever the output we are getting, I'll shift tell. So this reverse will having the reverse or reverse of this coding. Let me system dot out dot println. Let me add system dot out dot println. Now let me do reverse. Let me print reverse. Let me print the reverse. Okay. Run as Java application. See, it is coming right in reverse way. GNIDOC. So this is reverse way. They may ask you in an interview like this. They may ask you in the interview like this. How to reverse any string without building function? Then we have to think that we cannot use predefined. And this kind of program is used to test your ability, that how you are good with the coding, how you can think, right? So let me comment this part, because this is for what reverse method is there. With that, we have done our code. Now I am having coding. Okay. So I need to start just thinking that way, coding. I need to reverse this. So from where first should character should be what? 10, G. Then next should be N. So I have to begin from last to right to left, right? I have to begin from where? G to C, right? This should be the order. So what? What will be the possible thing? First, we can convert into the character. Then we can begin from last, that is G, that length minus something we will do, and then we will apply our logic. Now try to observe here. So this is our program. Now first I need to convert string into char array. String into char array. I am converting into char array. I'll shift L char array. Now this char array, let me use this as out statement. See, now whatever the word is there, that word is automatically converted into char array. We need to apply loop. For array, what we need to do? We need to apply loop, right? We need to apply loop. So for now, I am using applying loop for loop. I am applying loop. Either we can, when we are applying on char array, but I am on different logic. I want this loop, it should begin int I equals to, from where it should begin? Coding. How many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Length. What is the length? 6. So it should start from last 6. Right? So what is the char int equals to? Int x equal to what? Char array. Whatever the array is holding. Give me that char array. Give me your length. Give me your length. Char array. Give me your length. Okay. Then -1. Then do -1 from last position. Okay. We will see that. I will debug that in front of you. Then this is the first initialization, right? Now what is the condition? The I should be greater than 0. The I should be greater than 0 and it should decrement. It should decrement so that the value will be like 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In that way, sorry, it should be X, guys. I'm using X now. It should be X. The variable should be X. Now I can print this. I can print this. Let me do that. Let me do that. Print, paste here. Now can I print char of X? Can I print X? Chars. What happened? What happened? Okay, this should be char array. My bad. It should be the variable is char array. Extract somewhere. 1 minute. Paste here. Now let me print this. See, we are getting in reverse order na GNCA, something like this, right? We are getting in this way, right? Okay. Now string. So this is the reverse, right? First character is C, the second one is O, third is D. Then let's debug this. Because with this your understanding will be more better. Now what we are doing debugging. Now try to observe what we are having. We are having str equal to what? Having coding. Now the string we are converting into what? Char array. Do F6. Now mouse over on this way. Currently how the order is what? First position C, second position O, third position D, next position I, next position N, the next position is G, right? Now, why we applied this special line number 40? What is the reason behind this? The reason behind this, we want to reverse. Above approach, we are using building function. Directly, just reverse, you will get the output in reverse order. But the panel will ask you, I don't want to use this reverse method, built-in function. I want you to apply your own logic to reverse the string. So how we can reverse the string? So for that, to reverse the string means you have to begin from last. You have to begin from last. So what we are doing char array dot length. Let me mouse over and select that, Control Shift I. What is the length I am getting? 6. What is the length I am getting? 6. Means, okay, from where it should begin? It should begin from, it is calculating char length. That is 6. 6 minus 1 is what? 5. Right? 5. So int x equal to will become what? 5. Okay, fine. 5 is greater than what? 0. Okay. And then what? Once it is printed, now let me do print. So what is the value of x? See, value x is 5, means fifth position. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what should be printed first? G will be printed. G will be printed. So what is going to print? G will be printed. So G is printing perfectly fine. Now next is what? In the next loop, what now? What is the carrier length? We know. Control Shift I. This time it is 6. Okay. This time it is 6. Now let me do F6. Now mouse over an X. 4, right? So because in second loop, that decremented na, from 6 to it will become 5. And 5 minus 1 will become 4. Now the value of X is 4. What we want to print from char array? Whatever the fourth position character you are holding, print that. So this is, sorry, fourth position. This is G is sixth, G is fifth position, because in array it starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means sixth character. But when we are saying 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So n is going to print. See, n is going to print. Next is the same way the loop will come. So you have to think why we are writing that particular step. That is very much important. Okay, now hope you are good with these two program. So this is the two program. Let me take one more program. Write a program to swap two number using third variable. These are simple programs. Okay. What does this mean? X equal to, let's say, 10. You are having x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. You need to swap. Means you want output x equal to, x should be 20 and y should be 10. But using third variable. So your third variable can be z. The other program will be like without third variable. We don't want third variable. In that situation, what we need to do, that is our program. Okay? Now, so for this, let me take some code. Let me go to my STS. Okay? Let me comment this part. We don't this now. This is done. Okay? Now, what is our program? To swap the number. To swap the number. To swap the number using third variable. So let me take some int x equal to what? 10. Then int y equals to what? 20. My output should be x should be 10 and y should be 10. Y should be 10. Okay. Third variable int z. I am taking third variable z. So how to reverse? Simple. Just position change, right? What I will do, I will make x equal to what? Z. I will make x equal to z. Okay. Now x equal to z and x equal to y now. Okay. Finally, what I will do, I will make y equal to what? Y equal to z. Okay. Let me initialize this. So now tell me, no. Z equal to x. Okay. Z equal to x. So what is the value of x? 10. X is assigned to whom? Z. Now the value of z will become what? 10. Now what we are doing here? We are doing x equal to y. Okay. Now let me first print some statement. System dot out.println system.out.println, ठीक है. See x and this is y. Let me copy this, paste here. Okay, now ठीक है. Now let me run this program. Before this three line, what is the value of x printed? X is 10, y is what? 20. This is because of these two line are printed. What we are doing here, we are changing the value. Z is 0 initially. X value is become 10. So z will become what? 10. And what is the value of y? 20. So in this line, what we are doing, x equal to y means whatever the value of y will be assigned to x. Means in this line number 25, x will become what? 20. Now x is taking the value of y. This is good. Now y is taking the value of z in this line. Then we are printing. Then the order is changed. Na? First it printed 10, 20. Then it printed 20, 10. Till now you are good, right? ठीक है. Now okay. The same program they will ask you to swap the number without using temp variable. Let me comment this program. Let me comment this program from here. Okay. Now to swap the number, without using third variable. Before this we have used z, right? Now we will not use z. Only we have to work with, so some logic we will apply. So basic thing is, first we will add two number, then we will subtract the two number. Then we will take this like x equal to do x plus y. Now tell me x plus y, what it will become? X 30, right? Now what we will do? Y equal to what? X minus y. X minus y. Now tell me what is happening here? X plus y is become 30. The new value of x will become 30. 30 minus y. 30 minus y. What is the value of 20? Y 20. So what is happening here? Here x is become what? X become 30. In this line, what is y? Minus y. What is the value of y? 20. 30 minus equals to what? 10. It means the value of y will become 10. Now the latest value of y is what? The latest value of y is become 10. Now x equal to again x minus y. Now tell me in this line. Now the latest value of already x become what? X become 30 here. X become 30 here, right? X become 30 here, right? In this line number 31. Now in line number 33, x minus y. What is the new value of x? 30. What is the value of y become? Y equals to what? Y equals to 30 minus 10. That is 10. 30 minus 10 will be what? Equals to 20. Hope you are good. Let me print this line. Copy here. Let me uncomment this line, two line, because these are printing before swap without third variable. And let me use the same two line after our logic. Now let me run this program, run as Java application. Same is the output, 10, 20. Then value is changing. See, we are printing x and y. Initially, before our logic, the value was 10, 20. Now the value is 20 and 10. Okay. So this is our one program to understand, right, how we can change the number, right? This is our program, with and without. So these four program we have seen today. Okay. If you keep on practicing this kind of program, slowly, because this kind of program you will practice means you will understand. Today we seen four program. Tomorrow also we will see 4 or 5 program, and slowly with daily 5, 10, 5, 10 program. In that way, you will be having hands-on. Like in 1 week, we are taking at least 4 or 5 program per day. Means almost we are good with 30, 40 program. This is basic program. Slowly we will go with collections program, right? We will increase the level. Okay. So I'm stopping my recording. I'm stopping my screen share. I'm allowing you to unmute your guys. Stop recording.